Hello everyone, Desert Gardener here, and I was just listening to some music, and I think most everyone would agree that music has the ability to change a person's mood, but can it help with plants? Well, I've got my tea, let's talk about that. Now, I've heard lots of people say that talking to your plants and playing them music will help them grow better. In fact, the Mythbusters even did a whole episode on it way back in season 3, and they did see a little bit of extra production with the plants they were using. Not enough to call it confirmed, but they did call it plausible. And if you go on YouTube, there are thousands of videos specifically designed to be played to your plants. Now, I don't know how much real thought they put behind it. They might just slap that on the title just to get more views. But I figured it was worth a try. I've seen a few people do some comparison videos, and it seems like it can be helpful, but it's not a huge difference. But I wanted to give it a try myself. So this year I'm going to take a few plants, I'm going to separate them. I'm going to try to water and feed them exactly the same. And one group I'm going to play music to, and the other one I'm not. Now, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait till the end of the season to know the results. But the reason I'm posting this now is I was hoping some of you guys might join me. So you can do the same, and then at the end of the year, we'll compare notes and see how everyone did. Now, I thought about putting some links to some music, but I think it might be better if everyone chooses their own music, and we'll see what works well. I've heard a lot of Native American music, especially if it has nature sounds in it, is supposed to work the best, but classical and jazz is supposed to work as well. However, rock and metal is supposed to have the opposite effect. But, find something that works for you. So I've picked out a few songs. These are songs that just seem to feel right to me, since I don't know the composers and I don't know what they really put into it. But I figured it's worth a try. So if you're planning on joining along, comment below and let me know that you're going to do that. And then at the end of the season, I'll post some results and we'll see how everyone did. All right? Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.